Oh, thank you. I'm not going to repeat myself, but basically I'm going to repeat myself just briefly. If the government saw refugees as human beings, then they would have already put these amendments into the bill. They'd be written in. And so we are pushing at a closed door at the moment. We should be taking more refugees and creating more safe routes. Now, just a word of warning, and that is that there are going to be many climate emergencies, ecological emergencies over the next decade or so. And given that we have contributed a large part of the world's accumulated CO2 emissions, so we have to understand that we have a moral duty to take our share of climate refugees. It is already happening. There are parts of Africa now that are almost uninhabitable because of climate change, and other places will shortly follow. So we have to understand that refugees are not a temporary problem, they are a permanent problem, and there will be a lot more. If we prepare well and we put the programmes in place and the funding in place, then we can cope and we can do it well. But while this government treats refugees as criminals and unwanted people, I'm afraid all I see it as is another reason that this government has to go.
I think